Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the best hip chains for women available in the market right now. The 3-pieces belly waist chain multi-layer metal waist chain body summer beach chain from Hicarer. If you're looking to add some flair and style to your outfit, stay tuned because we've got all the details you need. Let's start with what makes this waist chain stand out. It's crafted from durable alloy, ensuring it's both lightweight and resistant to fading. Perfect for those summer beach days or accessorizing your favorite outfit with a touch of elegance. What I love about this waist chain is its multi-layered design with tassels that add a trendy and exotic vibe. You can also adjust its length to fit your waist perfectly, which makes it versatile for various body types. The Hicarer waist chain is not just about looks, it's about quality too. Made from high-quality alloy, it's designed to be both durable and eye-catching. Whether you're at the beach or a casual outing, this chain promises to make you shine.
Styling this waist chain is incredibly easy.
Simply wrap it around your waist, adjust to your preferred length, and let those tassels do their magic. It's a statement piece that effortlessly enhances your look. One of the best things about this waist chain is its versatility. Pair it with a bikini at the beach for that extra sparkle, or wear it over a dress or jeans to elevate your everyday style.
It's a must-have accessory for any fashion-forward individual. To wrap things up, if you're searching for a chic and durable waist chain that adds a touch of glamour to your wardrobe, look no further than the 3-pieces belly waist chain multi-layer metal waist chain body summer beach chain by Hicarer.
With its quality craftsmanship and stylish design, it's truly a standout piece.
Thank you for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this review,
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insights into the latest trends and product reviews. Until next time, stay stylish.